So hot.
Looking for yarns or thread? These are all for sale. Assorted yarns and threads. Sold as is and as bundle. Perfect for those whose hobby is crocheting and making clothing, specially for babies. Benny cell phone holder, wallets, pot holders, table cover, vase, or plants holder, and many things. Limited stocks only. Buy now.
Pagkatapos maglaba at maglinis, ito naman tayo, kain po. Magkakainin ako kasi may tira siyang kanin. Torta, Bicol Express, and may kanin. Eat now. Ang init, no? Ang init. Yan ang araw. Yan ang labas. May nagbabasketball pa yata doon. Park kasi yung nasa gitna. Tapos ang liwanag ng langit. Uulan kaya parang hindi. Nice. Yan yung laging view ninyo kung sakaling naulan. Ayan yung baba. Yan yung nilalakad ko minsan.
School supplies for sale. Color pen 12 pieces for 15 pesos. Crayons 8 pieces for 12 pesos. Correction tape for 12 pesos. Eraser 4 pieces per pack for 8 pesos. Twist up crayons 12 pieces for 35 pesos. Limited stocks. Buy now.
Magtupi ng damit para maiba naman. O, diba? Iayos natin yan. Yung iba na tupi na. Ito bago. So, ayusin ko. Ito na. Yung matutulog ka na sana, kaya lang nagutom ka. Kasi walang kain mula umaga hanggang tanghali, hanggang hapunan. Tulog na lang ginawa. Ayan. Napa-order tayo ng fish fillet or fish nuggets ang tawag nila. Fries, and then salad, and then may drinks na siya. Let's eat!
Just a chilling day today. Sleeping, eating, making and editing videos, some household chores. And that's it. It's a wrap.